Hey developers, HackerRank is hiring for the software development engineer intern role. It is an on-site internship for the Bangalore location. Talking about the other eligibility, so required a solid foundation in data structure and algorithms, fluent at least one modern programming language, and committed to readable, maintainable code, understanding of APIs, web services, and databases, any programming language like JavaScript, Java, or anyone. A clear communicator and collaborator, problem solving who owns work to end to end. An active contributor to open source projects, deeply care about your work and think beyond coding to product impact. Even better if you have previous internship or coding challenge experience, practical experience using AIML tools or integrating LLMs into product flows, and other like side projects, open source contributions, hackathons wins or technical writing to show curiosity and impact. These are the basic requirements for this role. And talking about the who can apply for this, who is pursuing bachelor degree and going to pass out in 2026 and 27 can apply for this role. And the starting date for the 6-month duration internship from the 5th of Jan 2026. So fill this form and now move to the second hiring by the Reliance Industries for the graduate engineer trainee role GET CAT. Job description, here is the job description. Final year engineering student from AICTE approved colleges and pursuing BTech B and graduate year is 2026 from any branches like chemical, mechanical, electrical, fire, civil, metallurgists or instrumentation streams. Yeah, maybe this is not for the CS branches, this is not for the IT role, and minimum criteria is 60% in all academics, no active backlogs. Other requirements, annual compensation INR 10.5 LPA for non-IITs and 9 LPA for IITs. So this hiring by the Ambani company. So here is the timeline. Registration end date is 15th of October and screening start from 15th to 24th of October and assessment start from the 29th October 12 p.m. means afternoon till 9:30 p.m. means you have to complete your assessment between 9 hours. And the regional interview, if you clear the online assessment you will be invited to in-person physical interview with the RIL team at one of the designated interview centers to apply for this role. So end this video, both job links below in the description, and hit a like button, do comment and subscribe Skillr for more job updates.